The OJ here. It's cooking time. I'm getting hackled by my assistants here, but anyways, we're gonna make some hot taco here today. Thanks, Cindy C. It's an old recipe that we've had for a few years. Anyways, we've got some cream cheese here. We've already warmed up here. We have some cottage cheese. We have. We're gonna put these two together, and then we're gonna dump them in, and we'll. Oh yeah, there we go. And we're gonna mix this all up nicely. And okay, now that we've got this there, and we're gonna dump everything in here. You guys gotta try this. This is amazing. Once you start dipping your chips in here, it's like you can't stop for anything. Okay, we've got this all smoothed down here. This is a 9x13 pan. Some people put hamburger with seasoning on the bottom, or you put refried beans, or you put both in there and make a big pan, and then, but yeah. Anyways, we're gonna put some of this taco seasoning on here. I want to make sure we get a little bit everywhere here. Okay, now we're gonna put some black olives in here. And this is another thing, if you don't like black olives, don't put black olives in. Just maybe put a little bit of something else in there. But this is about a cup, give or take. Okay, jalapenos. Oh yeah. Remember, keep your hand away from your eyes after this. Tomatoes. Oh boy, it's going to be a good one here tonight. Green pepper. Oh yeah. And last but not least, we're going to get some green onions. You can throw some chives in there too if you want. Just kind of get this like this. And then we're going to put some salsa on top here. Now you can use mild, medium, hot, you name it, you can use it on here. And then it's going to take, oh yes, I need some cheese in here. Just about throw out the cheese. It may look like I have stuff kind of here, there, and everywhere, but once it starts heating up there, it'll co-mingle all over the place. Now I'm going to need 1 tablespoon of the taco seasoning, just kind of sprinkle on top. Maybe not, I won't put it all. I'll maybe only put a half in here. There we go. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven, and we'll put it in there at 350 for about 20 minutes. Okay, there you go. We got it right out of the oven here. Doesn't that look amazing? It's to die for. Anyways, we're going to scoop a little bit out here, and we'll have a little taste test here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. To die for. I think I might eat this all myself. we'll let it cool off a little bit and then we'll have a little taste test. So, got this cooling down here. You know, the longer you can let that sit on the counter, use some willpower, let it sit there for a little while. But you know what? I don't have any willpower. And the more it thickens up after it sits. But well, let's have a little test now. Because I'm sure it's to die for. Oh, yeah. You know, I better check, make sure. Oh, yeah. Yep. Thanks, Cindy. Oh, this is good stuff. Anyways. Oh, you know, I could just sit here and eat this all. What, can I eat the whole bowl in front of you here? Ah, so good. Not a lot of measuring. Doesn't take very long, but it's awesome. It's to die for, like I say. Anyways, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now. I should just use a spoon. Oh. I'm breaking a whole bowl over here. Just gonna eat. Oh. Oh.